Hi, everybody. I didn't know if you were going to...
No, I got to pause because my 6 is so slow. It was slower than us. This is Bill, and he is the... Are you the president of this? What is your title here?
I think it's King. No, actually, I'm the sales manager.
And the king of Philadelphia Gateway Classic Cars. Don't worry about that. No big deal. Somebody kicked over my water bottle. And I am here at the end of the event. It was an awesome event.
Thank you.
I had a great time. A lot of good people out here.
Glad you could make it.
Thank you.
We do this every month, you know.
And what's the next date?
Last Saturday of every month. Next month, April 27th, which just so happens to be the day after my birthday.
Oh!
If anybody just happens to be out shopping right before the show or anything, just to let you know, it's not a biggie or anything. I'm turning 30. Okay, so
no, really, he's an honest man. Really.
It's not a big day, but we do this the last Saturday of every month,
and it was fun
all year long. Even when the weather's outside, it's rotten, you can't bring your car. Come on in, bring the wife, bring the kids, whatever. We got donuts, we got coffee, and we've got 150 cars inside that you can look at no matter what the weather's like outside. But we're hoping for the coming months, obviously, that we're going to gain some momentum and get some big crowds for the summer.
You are.
So we invite everybody to come out, bring your car. I'm a Ford guy.
Yeah.
Of course, this guy's a Ford guy. But we don't care what you drive. If it's a classic, an exotic, if it's anything.
And if it does burnouts, it's even better.
Yeah, if it gets you here, bring it on out. There's lots of food.
Good food.
Sometimes there's entertainment, even though it's
I'm the entertainment.
Yeah, even though it's not like entertainment like singers and dancers. There's a lot of entertaining things happening here.
There was.
So you don't want to miss it, but it's the last Saturday of every month. Again, like I said, April 27th. Then we'll be here in May, June, July, August. Plan the last Saturday of the month, come in to Gateway Classic Cars. And listen, if you live in another part of the country, this goes on at every Gateway Classic Cars. All 18 locations.
International.
Well, we're just national.
Oh, national,
but
sorry.
we sell international.
Yeah,
We have a lot of international customers.
Yeah.
We're all located right here in the United States, for now anyway.
Exactly.
Wouldn't surprise me to see us moving international in the future.
Europe's going crazy. On the Mustangs, Europe is going crazy.
Yeah.
It's going crazy for a lot of reasons. But this place is a lot of fun, and it's every last Saturday. Personally, I think it's awesome because classic cars, they can be hard to find. And this place is a big collection of them. Nice people, good people, and fun. So I'll probably be out here next month if I'm not somewhere else. And
it's a great place to network if you're looking for somebody to work on your car or anything like that. Obviously, if you're looking to sell your car, we want you to pick us because we are the world's largest consignment dealer of exotic
and you're humble too.
Cars.
You're humble.
We are. We are. World's largest.
We're biggest. No,
biggest.
No.
Most money.
He probably is that. That's true. So anyway, have a good time, and thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate you, and say hi to Bill and the whole crew out here, and they will be happy to welcome you.
See you next month. Take care. Thank you.
That was Bill. Bill was great. That was great. You could be on air. You could. Thanks, guys.